Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 9.1 question number 3. Let us solve question number 3. Question number 3 number 1 is add the following: AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB. You can add it in column form. Let us add in column form, right? That is AB, this is AB minus BC. There is another term, that is BC minus CA. BC minus CA. Another term is CA minus AB. CA minus AB. We add these terms. We add this one, right? We add this one, that is plus CA minus CA 0, plus BC minus BC 0, plus AB minus AB 0. Therefore the answer is 0. We are adding here in column form. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is we are adding A minus B plus AB and B minus C plus BC. B minus C plus BC. There is another term, that is C minus A. C minus A plus AC plus AC. If we add these three terms here, you see, right? If you add these terms, we are getting minus A plus is 0, minus B plus B 0, plus A minus is 0. That will AB. This term is left only AB plus BC. This one plus BC plus AC. This is the answer of question number 2. This is the answer. Now solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is question number 3. That is 2 p square q square minus 3 pq plus 4. We are adding with plus 4. 5. We'll write 5 here. Plus 7 pq plus 7 pq is plus 5 minus 3 p square q square minus 3 p square q square. If you add this one, then you're getting 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 9 minus 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 pq plus 4 pq, and minus 3 minus 2 is minus 1. There is minus p square q square minus p square q square, right? The answer is minus p square q square plus 4q plus 9. This is the answer of question number 3. Now solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is this one. Question number 4 is, this is question number 4. L square plus m square. M square plus n square. M square plus n square. N square plus L square. N square plus L square. And plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. If you add all these, then we are getting, adding all these factors, all these terms, then we are getting here L square plus L square, n square plus L square. You can write here n square here. We have to write this n L square here. that is here. L square plus L square is 2L square plus M square plus M square is 2M square plus N square plus N square is 2N square plus 2Lm plus 2Mn plus 2NL. Therefore, the answer is 2L square plus 2M square plus 2N square plus 2Lm plus 2Mn plus 2NL. If we take the common here, 2 common, then we are getting L square plus M square plus N square plus Lm plus Mn plus NL. And this is the answer. Right? 2 common, that is L square plus M square plus N square plus Lm plus Mn plus NL. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.